In Istanbul, there's a group of individuals who have mastered the bizarre art of using their knuckles to crack codes. This rare skill, a blend of cognitive calculation and precise rhythm, has fascinated many. Beyond entertainment, these individuals have participated in cyber challenges, astounding experts by deciphering intricate sequences just by tapping their knuckles in specific patterns. What sets them apart is their intuitive understanding of mathematical sequences and unparalleled hand dexterity. While the origins of this talent remain unknown, its implications in cybersecurity and entertainment sectors are undeniable, making it one of the most intriguing skills globally.